Welcome back to Alpha Finance, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals. Today, we have a special topic that many of you have requested: how to build wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, stick around because we've got a comprehensive guide for you. 1. Setting financial goals. Building wealth begins with a clear vision. Start by getting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART, financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term goals, such as buying a house, retiring comfortably, or starting a business. Create a budget that aligns with your goals. Track your income, expenses, and savings diligently. 2. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are essential to wealth building. Let's dive into this crucial step. Establish an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. Start investing early. Compound interest is your best friend in wealth building. Diversify your investments. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to spread risk. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs for tax benefits and long-term growth. 3. Reducing debt. Debt can hinder wealth building. It's crucial to manage and eliminate it strategically. Prioritize high-interest debts like credit cards. Pay more than the minimum to reduce the principal. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans to lower interest rates. 4. Increasing income. Building wealth isn't just about saving. It's also about increasing your income. Invest in yourself. Acquire new skills and education to boost your earning potential. Explore side hustles or freelance work to supplement your primary income. Network and seek out career advancement opportunities. 5. Protecting your wealth. As your wealth grows, it's vital to protect it from unforeseen events. Review and update your insurance coverage regularly. Create an estate plan, including a will and power of attorney documents. 6. Review and adjust. Building wealth is an ongoing process. Regularly review your financial plan and make necessary adjustments. Stay informed about economic trends and investment opportunities. Adjust your goals as life circumstances change. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to build wealth. Remember, it takes time and discipline, but with the right strategies, you can achieve your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are on their wealth building journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Alpha Finance is dedicated to providing you with valuable financial advice. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.